Renanation. Renanation.
What's good? What's your poppin' with you? Thank you for clicking this video, and you already know what we doing today. Not today. I will be doing something cute, something very easy, and I'm gonna go step by step and showing you guys how to do it. By the title, you already know what we doing. Now, today I will be doing a top bun, and if you guys don't know what that is, you already seen by the thumbnail, and I will include a picture here so you guys can know what the heck is going on. So that's just on period. But before we get into the video, I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe down below and click that notification button because it's there for a reason, of course. And we just gonna go ahead and wash my hair and come back. Okay, you guys, now that my hair is freshly washed and it is ready to get styled, all you have to do is section off your hair in 4 sections, blow dry it and flat iron it. That is the best way to go when flat ironing and blow drying your hair, because I feel like it speed up the process to me. But you guys can do what you want. I'm gonna go ahead and do that and speed this up and come back and tell you guys the next step. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below and click that notification button because it's there for a reason, of course. So we're gonna get right into it. These 4 sections do not have to be perfect. It's just good enough to be able to be combed. And we doing this because once you wash your hair and stuff, you need to deeply blow dry your hair. And we need to have it clean and washed instead of you getting a cold, because you sure could get a cold with wet hair walking around. Like, make sure you really blow dry your hair. So my 4 sections are very simple. I just do a part down the middle and a part from ear to ear, and that's what I do. And then I blow dry it and flat iron it. Very easy, very simple. It do not have to be perfect. Okay, you guys, so once you get your hair all straightened, blow dried, everything, so these are the steps you guys gonna have to do. It is very simple. Now, if you guys know how to do a ponytail, it will not be as hard as you think, okay? So if you guys don't know how to do a ponytail, maybe you should do sections into a ponytail. But yeah, so first things first, I'm gonna actually just put this in a temporary ponytail and then do my edges. And you want to do that so once you do your edges, you can just slick it all the way back, because once you do the ponytail and then do your edges, it won't look as neat. So that's what I'm gonna do. You take your brush, whatever you're using, brush out some edges. You go ahead and add your gel. Okay, I'm gonna speed this up. Once I'm done doing my edges, I will come back and then tell you guys the next step. So stay tuned, keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below and click that notification because it's there for a reason, of course. So we're just gonna go ahead and speed it up and come back. You guys just stay tuned. Okay, so after you do you, and I still said it wrong. Okay, you guys, so after you guys done doing y'all edges, you go ahead and start foaming the ponytail. Now, if you guys want to, you can do sections. Now, the sections you could do is just 2. The 2 sections you guys can do is actually ear to ear and then foam it into the ponytail and then add the back into the ponytail. Boom. So what I'm gonna do is actually just foam my ponytail. I don't want to do sections because gotta get this over with and do my hair. All you gotta do is start brushing your hair towards the front. Try to get everything, and if you guys don't don't worry about it. You can just foam it in there. Yeah, so basically all these little hairs, don't worry about it. We can just slick this thing down and it won't be noticeable. So I'm going ahead and add my got to be, and I'm gonna spray this all the way down. Brush it real thoroughly using your hand, smoothing it out. Like I said in my last video, you use the cold heat setting instead of the hot, so it can really get in there. Especially for the edges, when you put wax or something on your edges and you use hot, it's just gonna melt it again. So that's why you want to use the cold setting on the blow dryer. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna finish doing this and come back and tell you guys the next step, and that's just on period. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and click that notification button because it's there for a reason, of course. After I done shaped the ponytail, I'm gonna just go ahead and redo it and make sure all the hairs is in there correctly, because before we just did like a temporary ponytail. So this is what we got. So first things first, when you adding your hair in, you want to braid this down. Take 3 sections, twist it like you doing twists, but switching it each side. But you switching it each side, and that will be a braid. And that's that. Then you just wrap it around, and then you can start adding your hair in. Because these rubber bands I got, oh my god, they fabric. But this gonna have to do. So first things first, we're gonna go ahead and add the bundles in, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and click that notification button because it's there for a reason, of course. So we're gonna get into it. Okay, first things first, you take your bundle, however long you want to do it. You don't have to do it as short as I have it. So you take 2 sections. The first section you pulled out, you will want to wrap that around, and then this section you can just wrap around the braid that you made, and that other section you pulled out, you want to wrap that. And then you'll have something like this. You just continue adding the hair, which I'm going to show you guys one more time. You take your bundle, get 1 section from each side, just like that. You take one of them sections, wrap it around first, and then you wrap the bundle around until you get to that last section we pulled out, and which is this one. You'll wrap that around by itself. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna continue doing it, and you guys can continue doing it as well. And I'm gonna come back and show you guys how to wrap it as a bun. And just stay tuned. Keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and click that notification button because it's there for a reason, of course. Let's get it. Now, this is very optional. You don't have to flat iron it or nothing, but if you want to flat iron it, go ahead. Leaving it puffy, it make it like a natural effect, so that's why I'm gonna leave it. It's not really natural because it's not my hair color, but I'm saying like it give off your natural hairstyle, if that makes sense. So first things first, when you wrapping your bun, you want to make sure everything is straightened like so. Now, whichever angle you want to do it, you could. So you want to take it and actually wrap it around, but not too tight, a little loose, and then wrap it around all the way, come under, and you should have a little bun, which you can fluff it out, and you should get something like this. something just like this. So I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe down below, and click that notification button because it's there for a reason, of course. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video, and comment down below if you guys loved it and learned something. If you guys didn't, comment down below anyways. Let me know how you guys' day is going. But yeah, a little cute bun, simple, easy. I know these edges getting on my nerves, but I'm gonna just swoop them back. Boom, pow, whoop, ow. But anyways, don't forget, I always include videos or pictures at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. And that is just that for this video, period.